Hi, this is Hannah Erica, and welcome to the Hannah E Gets Crafty channel. Today I am going to be doing this design that I worked on for so long. I've never worked on something this long unless I was changing my mind about something, but I was focused on this one design so long, it was just like I needed to keep working at it. And I'm so happy that I watched this tutorial, which I did put in the details, which helped me figure out something else I can do with my software, which I was just so excited about. I got started right away. I did put him in the details below because the link, I just thought it was just so nice to be able to like bring something to life that was in my head that I didn't know that the software could do. So today I'm doing a look. It's a sexy t-shirt design because I'm basically doing a t-shirt, but I'm going to cut it out. It is for myself, but I'm going to be just like wearing it, get some attention, try to, stir up some customers with that. It is something that you have to stay to see. Okay, I'm going to turn on my Cameo 4. You see all the things I'm going to be working with, keeping this really simple. That is the heat press. And I'm going to be using a black t-shirt with Siser Easyweed in electric red. If you don't know, this is a cutting mat. And I already have my piece already cut. And the shiny side always goes down. I have the I have the silhouette Cameo. Okay, I have my designs. I have my, that's the denim jacket I'm working on. I have my designs already. My design ready. I like to use this plug so I have no Wi-Fi interruption. And, okay, where's my design? And let's see the settings I'm going to use. Oh, the settings never hold. So I'm going to change it to the designs for my Siser Easyweed. It's in here somewhere. Forgot that fast. I'm on a new computer. So I have to put my settings in. And because my my blade seemed to be getting a little rusty, a little old, doesn't work as well on 3, so I actually put it on 4 and 5. I put it on 5 now because I wanted to actually cut something. Okay, I had to, of course, the computer has never had the Cameo fall on it, so I had to put on the Bluetooth, do a search for it so it can detect it. Then I had to update the software. So all that's done, and now it's time to cut. Whew, here we go. Okay, it does not recognize it. So I'm going to take it out and then put it back in so that it will recognize that it's here. Okay, here we go. 305 degrees for 5 seconds. Some people do 2 to 5 seconds. I like to add a little more paper on top, but it's not necessary, but I like to put it on there. I'll do 5 seconds and then I'll do a test. Let's see if it sticks. Nice hot peel, but slow. Looks like it worked.